Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time we're driving to Bruxelles. It's a little town 5 kilometers off Highway 34. Bruxelles is founded in 1879. First early immigrants came from Belgium, Flemish. At some point, the villagers from Bruxelles wanted their own priest, so in 1889 Mr. Wilms came and another archbishop, and in 1892 Bruxelles was officially established. In Bruxelles there's lots to do, like there's an own playground, and now with this winter time they have ski trails, ice skating rink, and in summer you can play soccer, baseball, and they have their own campground, Lake 7. I will go there in summertime and show you how it looks like there. You can swim there and camp. We are arrived in Bruxelles. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.